Phoebe Lapine of Feed Me Phoebe, and I'm going to show you how to make lemon chicken soup. So this was one of my favorite soups growing up. My mom used to always make it for me instead of chicken noodle when I got sick. And it's actually a Greek soup called a golemano. And the base is just chicken stock, a little bit of white rice. You can use brown rice or even orzo if you like. And then we're going to create this wonderfully rich base to it by whisking in some eggs. Then, of course, a lot of lemon, because it wouldn't be a lemon chicken soup without chicken and lemon. You can add some chicken into it already cooked, like I'm doing today, which is just from a rotisserie chicken. And then we're going to finish it off with a little bit of dill. This is the easiest recipe in the whole wide world. So I'm just going to get started by pouring my stock into the pot and bringing it to a boil. All right, I'm just going to pour in a quart of chicken stock and bring that to a boil over high heat. So now that my stock is boiling, I'm just going to add white rice and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and just a pinch of cayenne pepper. Now you can use any type of rice you like. If you're using brown rice, it'll take about 40 minutes to cook through. Since we're using white, it'll just be 20 minutes. So we're just gonna put the lid on, turn the heat down to low, and let it cook for about 20 minutes. So what makes this soup nice and creamy is the egg that we're about to add to it. So what we're gonna do is just beat it in this 2-cup measure, and then we're gonna temper it, which means we're just gonna drizzle in a little bit of the hot stock from the soup until it warms the eggs through without scrambling them. And then we can add it back to the soup and it'll create this really beautiful milky texture. So my rice is now just barely cooked. It's been 20 minutes. And so now it's time for us to add in the tempered eggs. So I have my soup off the heat, which is the best way to add tempered eggs. And I'm just gonna whisk them in. And as you can see, it's making the broth really nice and milky and creamy without scrambling the eggs. So I'm also gonna add my chicken, my dill, and of course the lemon. So I'm just gonna squeeze this over my hands to catch any seeds. Just the juice of half a lemon, and voila, beautiful lemon chicken soup, just like my mom used to make when I was a kid. So I'm just gonna give it a little taste. It's really creamy and lemony, perfect kind of chicken soup. I'm Phoebe Lapine of Feed Me Phoebe, and this was how to make lemon chicken soup.